Here we have a 2024 Land Cruiser 300 Series VX fitted in light grey full fit sheepskin. So separate headrest, seat covers are profiled to the shape of the seat, just adds that extra little bit of custom look. So being a VX, of course, has electric controls both driver and passenger. As you can see, our seat covers tuck in the capping, so seats are still functional and accessible with our seat covers fitted. Airbag provision on both door sides of the backrest. And as mentioned at the start of the video, being a full fit, that means sheepskin all over the seat, so that includes down the back of the backrest, of course, and the back of the headrest.